In April, my boyfriend and I took our dog 2 hours north of the city to enjoy some time away from the normal grind. I hadn't done any major traveling for a few months and was just in need of some new scenery. I love the city and there are so many reasons why I'll always be a city girl, but I also love nature and the wilderness and silent nights. I wanted to wake up in the morning and make coffee without thinking about anything else other than drinking it in the sun. I wanted to play with my dog in the grass without thinking about what time it is. What's ironic is that a few hours into enjoying my weekend, I started feeling anxious in the bliss. I started dreading that my weekend would be up in 48 hours and that all of this would be over soon. I tend to do that a lot. I have this mindset that all good things come to an end, and then I don't end up fully embracing those joyful moments. I had to really shift my mindset this weekend and let all of those worried thoughts go. I had to remind myself that I can do this all over again another time. I had to tell myself that I can't be content until I let myself be. So I laid out all afternoon, stared out at the dancing clouds, slowed down my breathing, and let the weekend commence.
Hello guys, we are currently on a little weekend getaway in High Falls, New York. It's a little town about 2 hours of a drive away from the city. We are staying in this really cute Airbnb, which I'll link down below. It's kind of like a little guest suite. The owner lives on the property, but we're like 1 unit away. Pika has been just loving this entire property. There's so much land, there's even a little pond, and there's views of the mountains, and it's completely fenced in, so it's super dog friendly. Today's Friday, so I've just been spending the day editing and also just hanging out with Pika in the sun because it feels so good. This weekend, we're just planning on doing some hiking, but really just relaxing. And I mean, this is a getaway after all for us and Pika, so we're really looking forward to just enjoying nature. We're gonna go cider tasting as well. It's crazy because it's already been half a day and I'm already feeling super relaxed and just loving this little getaway already.
So why didn't you lens?
Maybe. I can only wish it was a lighting the lens.
We are heading to Minnewaska State Park Preserve, and we're gonna do some hiking, which I haven't really gotten to do yet since I moved to New York City. So we're gonna go check out a waterfall and then just do like a quick loop trail around, and hopefully we don't get rained on too much. It's been so long since I've worn these hiking boots. I got these while I was living in California because I did a good amount of hiking, but since I moved here to New York City, I haven't really gotten to use them, but now I can. We are at the park now. Gonna start our first hike. Gonna hike 0.5 mile to a waterfall. And yes, it is raining, but we are still gonna do this anyways.
$2 cafe. I got a tofu scramble, looks really good. And Andrew got his favorite corned beef hash with eggs. And go, Babs! Come back, come back! There he is, there he is. Yay! Oh, look at how happy he is. He looks like the Easter Bunny. So we went to Hudson Valley Cheesecake after lunch because we really needed some dessert. And let's do a little unboxing of them, shall we? Ooh, ooh. We got Nutella and strawberry crunch. Let's take a look. Ooh. So the one on the right is Nutella, and the one on the left is strawberry crunch. Locally made cheesecakes. They were close to $8 each, which is pretty.
Oh, they were. They're
$8.75.
$8.75.
$9. Pretty darn expensive.
Want me to go in first? Ooh. Oh, let me take a picture. Oh, with the Nutella one. Amazing. That's good. Because it's a cheesecake, it's like a little bit savory, like a little salty, which I like. It's almost like there's a sea salt element to it, but there isn't. Okay, that one was so good. Let me try the strawberry crunch, which looks like, the top of it looks like those strawberry ice cream bars, strawberry cheesecake bars.
Exactly what it's like.
Mm-hmm. Like what I'm doing. Yummy. Mmm. Dude. Hello all. We just finished eating dinner and it is time to wind down on this beautiful rainy Saturday. I've got my dear dog here who's been sleeping all day very comfortably in this Tempur-Pedic bed, and then Andrew back there doing who knows what. We're gonna spend the night watching a K-drama, Business Proposal, for anyone out there who's watched it. It's really good. I really like it. I would consider me and Andrew K-drama, I wouldn't say we're noobs, but I would say we're, you know, like pre-intermediate. I really like watching K-dramas because they like, it just like transports you to another world for a second. Like it's just fun to watch like after dinner when like you're having a glass of wine. It's just like very entertaining, and I get to learn a little bit of Korean that way, which I really like. So yeah, lately I've been watching some really like dramatic and very stressful K-dramas. Crash Landing on You, yeah, that one was so stressful. So Business Proposal has been a really nice, easy, funny, like silly drama to watch, and we've been really enjoying that. So that's what we're gonna do for the rest of the night, and then tomorrow we leave this place. So yeah, gonna spend the rest of the night relaxing and spending time with my little familia. Good morning. We are all packed up now from our Airbnb, ready to hit the road and go back to the city. But because we still have half a day before we have to return the rental car, we're gonna go get some lunch and then we're gonna go do some cider tasting. At first, we wanted to go to Angry Orchard, which is a really popular apple cider brand that you can get at most supermarkets, but they are closed today because it's Easter. So there's a lot of apple orchards up here, so it wasn't hard to find another place. Pika's gonna come with us, of course, because these places are all really pet friendly, which is what I really like about being in upstate New York. And yeah, we really loved this Airbnb. It was really nice, and Pika enjoyed running out on the grass a lot and just being in nature. So yeah, let's hit the road and go get some food first. We have the dry flight here. We're gonna start with these because they're less sweet. This one's kind of like a kombucha, and then we're gonna go with these three, which are the sweet ones. Let's try it. There's this indoor seating area here, which is really cool, so you can kind of avoid the cold outside because it's freezing. We're gonna get some food now because breakfast didn't quite fill us up, and I'm gonna have another cider, so I want to make sure that I have some food to go with it. Got myself a cider and a cider donut. Never had one of these before. Very excited. Pika is equally as excited. All right, let's try it. So good. So good. Can you open it? Swedish fish! You look so crazy on the camera. I'm panting just as much as Pika because it is hailing. It is hailing outside. I don't know if it shows. Wow, it's so crazy. It's like springtime and we're outside walking in the orchards and then all of a sudden it started hailing. Anyways, I'm gonna be closing this vlog off now because we are heading back into the city. I am so cold right now. Super, super cold because I didn't wear enough and I did not expect it to be this cold. Anyways, this was an amazing little getaway, mainly for my dog over here. He had a really, really good time and I feel like both me and Andrew kind of needed this little nature getaway. It's always fun too to just explore like all these little small farms and businesses are outside of the city. Back to the city, back to the grind. We both have work tomorrow, so we're gonna just kind of get ready for that today. And thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!